Morning to all my lovely children. I hope you are all fine and enjoying learning at your home. Welcome to your EBS class. So, children, today I am going to take you to an underwater sea aquarium wherein you are going to see various sea animals. Animals who live in water are called sea animals. These animals are also called aquatic animals or water animals. So come on children, let's dive into the underwater world. Here we go. Let's search and see which animal are we going to see first. Oh, we found something which looks like an oval shape. It is an octopus. You know, children, octopus has an oval shaped head and has 8 arms. Go and search for another animal. Oh, we saw a star-shaped animal. It is a starfish. Starfish looks like a star. Children, we have something in crescent shape. Yay! It's a dolphin. You know, children, dolphin is the national sea animal of India. Children, we have a horse under the sea. Do horses live in water? No, this is a seahorse and it has a face which looks like a horse. This is why it is called seahorse. Last, we have the largest sea animal, which is a whale. Yes, children, whale weighs even more than the weight of a car. These were the sea animals that we have learned today, and in our next EVS class we will be learning about some more sea animals. Thank you children. Bye bye. Have a good day.